Are you feeling drained, overwhelmed, and just tired in your soul? This is soul-tiredness. Let's reconnect and heal. Welcome to Big Sister Era, where we explore ways to reconnect with our inner selves, find peace, and restore our energy. In today's video, we're diving into practical tips and mindful practices that can help you feel truly alive again. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin this journey together. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to start feeling more like yourself, more at peace, more energized, and more connected to your true essence. How do we know if our soul is tired? We might feel lost, unmotivated, empty. Simple joys might not spark joy. We might withdraw from loved ones. Sleep might not bring rest. These are signs. Our soul is speaking. It's time to listen. It's time to heal. We must learn to put ourselves first in a world that constantly demands our attention and energy. It's crucial to carve out time for ourselves, to nurture our own well-being. This is not selfish, it's needed. By taking care of our mental, emotional, and physical health, we build a foundation for a more balanced life. Like watering a plant, we must nourish our soul. Just as plants need sunlight and water to thrive, we need moments of peace and joy to flourish. To bloom brightly, we need care. Regular self-nurturing practices help us grow and reach our full potential. Self-care is an act of kindness. It's about recognizing our own needs and taking steps to meet them, to ourselves and to the world. When we treat ourselves with compassion, we set an example for others to do the same. When we are well, we can give more. Our well-being radiates outward, allowing us to contribute positively to our communities and the world at large. Replenishing the Wellspring. What replenishes your soul? What brings you joy? Find those things. Make time for them. Maybe it's nature, a walk in the park, feeling the sun on your face, listening to birdsong. Perhaps it's creativity, painting, writing, playing music, losing yourself in a project. Search for the good in life. Healing a tired soul takes time. Be patient with yourself. Understand that this journey is not a race, but a gentle walk towards inner peace and fulfillment. Take small steps. Celebrate each victory, no matter how small it may seem. Listen to your soul's whispers, for they guide you towards what you truly need. Each step forward is a testament to your strength and resilience. Give your soul what it needs. You are worthy of love, joy, and peace. Surround yourself with positive energy and nurturing environments. Practice self-love and self-care daily, for these are the foundations of a renewed spirit. Begin your journey of renewal. Embrace the beauty of self-care. Your soul will thank you. Remember, this is a personal journey, unique to you. Allow yourself to grow and transform, and watch as your inner light begins to shine brighter each day. Thank you for being here with us on Big Sister Era. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment down below. We love to hear from you